was young, before we begun, I never thought we all had someone. I took your breath, but you took the rest. I promised you always a place on my chest. There might come a day when you feel that I'm not who I was. You might find a better one and end it for us. So I wrote our days on our kitchen table. If you ever forget that you love me, sometimes the love of your life can make you feel weak, too tired to fight. But I'm trying my best to look in your eyes, 'cause tears never age and years never die. But sometimes the love that you feel is just making it worse. When I'm disappointing you, we both end up hurt. So I left a note on our bathroom mirror. If you ever forget that you love me, 'cause sometimes a flower will bloom just to nurture the ground. So if you should ever leave, it's worth it for now. So I wrote it down on our kitchen table. If you ever forget that you love me.
Take it. If she gives you her heart, don't you break it. Let your arms be a place she feels safe in. She's the best thing that you'll ever have. She always has trouble falling asleep, and she likes to cuddle while under the sheets. She loves pop songs and dancing and bad trash TV. There's still a few other things. She loves love notes and babies and likes giving gifts, has a hard time accepting a good compliment. And she loves her whole family and all of her friends. So if you're the one she lets in, take it. If she gives you her heart, don't you break it. Let your arms be a place she feels safe in. She's the best thing that you'll ever have. She'll love you if you love her on days when it feels like the whole world might cave in. Stand side by side and you'll make it. She's the best thing that you'll ever have. She'll love you if you love her like that. Kiss her with passion as much as you can. Run your hands through her hair whenever she's sad. And when she doesn't notice how pretty she is, tell her over and over so she never forgets. She's the best thing that you'll ever have. She'll love you if you love her like that.